In this video, you're going to be learning how to do YouTube SEO, and I actually watched this video. I already made the screen recording where I explained how you are going to do it step by step. But after watching it, I realized that there are a few things that if you don't understand and you just begin to watch the video, you'd probably not understand everything I explained. So I was about deleting the video. Then I thought, oh, why not make another intro where I explain the basic concepts and then you go on to watch the video. Now, the first thing you need to understand, obviously, is what YouTube SEO is. YouTube SEO is basically what it is. YouTube SEO, search engine optimization for YouTube. In other words, you are trying to make videos that when people search for certain things related to that video, your video is going to be part of the videos they are going to see. Okay, so let's say, for example, you're a coach or a consultant and you are looking for a video on YouTube SEO, and then you type YouTube SEO videos or how to do YouTube SEO on YouTube. Okay, so when you search for that, my video is definitely going to be part of the videos that will show up on your screen. Why? Because I'm making videos on that, and then I have put my keywords in certain places in order for you to be able to find my videos. That is what happens when you do YouTube SEO. The root keyword is YouTube SEO. So those two, they are the keywords, okay, that I'm using, okay? So you have to understand that, okay? So when you're making your video, always ask yourself, what is the root keyword? What is the opportunity? What are you banking on, okay? Your root keyword is what you are banking on to make that video, because you believe that people are going to search for it and they're going to find it, your video, as part of the videos that show up when they search for it. So that's what you need to understand. And then the other thing that you need to understand is what I call the difference between the browse feature and then the search feature. There are different algorithms in YouTube. Okay, you need to understand that. There's the algorithm that pushes your video for search. There's the algorithm that shows your videos to people who search for it. And there's another algorithm that recommends your video for people who just open their YouTube and, you get it too. When you open your YouTube page and you get all these videos, they get shown to you on your screen and you just click on one. So the browse feature is the one that shows you that, while the search feature is the one that shows your video to people who search for your root keyword, anything related to that in your video. Okay, so what I want you to know is that when you are doing a video and your energy is directed towards making a video that when people search for it, they will find it, it might take some time for your video to rank. Okay, so you just need to be patient. Okay, you just need to be patient. Over time, if what you have answered in your video, if it is a question that people will always ask, your video will keep ranking. It will keep coming out 5, 4, 10 years. As long as you have recorded a video that is relevant, that answers a question, that solves a problem, you do not need to worry that you're not getting that instant view right now. Okay, so you are watching this video, you are doing YouTube SEO, your video might not show up as the one that is viral right away. Okay, but over time, okay, you are going to get the view, the watch time, and then the authority you are trying to build. Because as a coach, as a consultant, you're not just chasing views, you're not just chasing likes and subscribers. You want business, okay? So people will trust you enough because they've seen your content over time to answer their question. So I want you to understand these 3 concepts before you dive into this video. Then the third thing is the tool that we are going to be using is actually vidIQ, okay? So I specifically show you how to do this on vidIQ. And I think those are the things you should understand before you begin watching this video, because I'll be using terms like root keyword, I'll be using terms like search engine and browse feature. Basically, that's all I'll be doing. Okay, so when you are ready, well, you've hit the play button already. Just keep watching. Bye. Have a wonderful day.